Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset Wi-Fi setting on Google phone. Friends, you want to reset Wi-Fi setting on your Google phone. So when how to reset Wi-Fi setting on Google phone in this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, first we will on phone setting to reset Wi-Fi setting guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, how to reset guys Wi-Fi setting. So friends, we will click on guys Google phone system setting guys. So system setting guys, we will on it. After on system setting friends, you can see gesture setting, date and time setting, language setting friends. You want to input a language means you want to add a language. So friends, you can add from here and you can change it. So when scroll it friends, you can see last guys reset option. So guys, we will click on reset option. Friends, you can see reset setting guys, click on reset Wi-Fi setting. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi setting. I will tap here to reset. Again guys, click on reset setting. After some second guys, your Wi-Fi setting will reset. Friends, you can see please wait, setting has been reset. So friends, your Wi-Fi setting has been reset, and friends now you can use your Wi-Fi setting on your Google phone. So guys, now guys we will connect any Wi-Fi network. So friends, you can see guys, after on Wi-Fi setting guys, I will connect this 5G network. I have got this 5G network. So I will enter password and guys you can see connect option guys, tap here and guys now I can connect easily friends Wi-Fi network. After connect guys I can use it. So like that guys we can reset guys our Google Pixel phone guys Wi-Fi setting guys. So bye bye guys, I hope friends you understood how to reset Wi-Fi setting on Google Pixel phone. Friends, do you want now related to guys your Google Pixel phone setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.